Well, good morning, America. Yep. Well, up and going. 8 p.m. now. And if you saw any of my videos this morning, you know I already shoveled once. There's a car right there somewhere under the snow. Yep. I already shoveled once. Now I'm out here shoveling again to get out to go up and get some coffee, you know. Anyhow, figured I'd say good morning if you caught any of my videos this morning. I'd seen the snowstorm. So, yeah, I gotta shovel my way out. All the love. All right, driveway is shoveled. Moses, ain't I tired? All right. All shoveled. The video really doesn't do these banks justice. I hope I don't fall on my butt. It's nuts. Oh, getting back up sucks quite a bit. Yep, check. All right, so this place is done. I gotta head up to my parents' old place and shovel that driveway so I can get in, and that's where my coffee is. So, you know, there's a prize at the end of all this work. Thank God. Nothing to it. But I hope everyone's having a great night. I will piecemeal all these little videos I took together and post it later. Once I get up there and have the Wi-Fi, whatever you call it. All right, well, up at the Bucksport house, doing that shoveling. It is, I don't have a watch on, no idea, like 11 o'clock at night. I got quite a dent in it. This is absolutely brutal. We just got a ton. Doing it all with a shovel, it's not fun. Next year, getting a plow for the four-wheeler. A, it'd be fun. B, it'd make good content. All the love. I don't know.